there, and welcome to the Weekly Geek. First of all, in library business, as you can see here, we've got a lot of great new books on programming, coding, so check these out. Do you need a change of space for your classroom? Do your kids need just a change of pace? Come on into the library, take a break, come on in for the block and use it as your classroom, or you could use books. You can use databases and a lot of other stuff, or just have a classroom space.
Speaking of all these awesome books that Megan has about coding, next week is the Hour of Code Week. Super awesome week where the nation is trying to push coding. That is, what is coding? Coding is basically a programming language that is all about directions. So if you love to learn about languages, this would be a good thing for you. Do you have some time next week during skinny blocks or study hall, or a few minutes that you could take, maybe an hour, during the week to help kids learn how to code? Or
and
at
to
least
learn
get a
something
start.
new.
This is a game that you can check out from Megan in the library. It's just sort of a physical game that you can play that gets your head wrapped around what coding does. And it's code-wise. Begin sequence. Step forward. Step to the right. Step to the left. Do a little dance. Say something.
Oh, people of Earth.
Step backward. End sequence. And if you'll notice in your iPad, there's a new category that pops up that says Hour of Code, and there are a bunch of apps in there that you can play around with. Just unleash the kids, say, go play, discover, explore, and see what they'll learn.
Steve Torrey is joining us. He's our Director of IT to talk about why programming, coding, learning computer science is important.
I got into computer science because computer science just came naturally to me. Coding I got into because my high school offered it as an elective other than foreign language. So as Lori said earlier, coding is a foreign language. It is a variety of foreign languages. You have Java and Basic. Basic's a good one. That's what I learned in QBasic. HTML or HTML5, which is the new version. So HTML is internet-based coding for things like websites. Basic is more like your computer-based coding to give you frames and calculators and things like that. JavaScript is all your flashy animations and skateboarding dudes. Check out homestarrunner.com if you like Flash or Java.
Sweet, and there are two solo learn apps on the iPad to teach Java, and I think the other one is Basic.
If you're more into software and actual computer applications, start with Basic. But if you're more into graphics and video gaming and animations, start with Java.
There's multiple languages, there's multiple ways of doing it, from Basic to Visual Basic to QBasic to Java to C++ to C++ to PHP to SQL.
There is all sorts of coding available out there, so find the one that fits your needs and code away.
And here's our new IT superstar, rock star, Yvonne Jones. Woo, 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 woo. It's beautiful. Come see the IT room.
That's our Weekly Geek for this week. We will see you soon. If you want to sign up for Research Lab time for Hour of Code next week, see me and talk to Lori about that.